In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a website into GoHighLevel. We'll use GoHighLevel's built-in page importer, which is the fastest way to recreate a simple site or landing page inside your account. This approach is ideal when you want to move a straightforward page into GoHighLevel so you can manage it with the drag and drop builder, connect it to funnels, and track leads in one place. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, head to Sites, then open the Websites section. You'll see an option to create something new. Choose New Website. From the choices presented, select Import an existing page. This is where the magic happens. Paste the full URL of the page you want to copy, something like https example.com, then click Import. Give it about 10 to 30 seconds. Behind the scenes, GoHighLevel scans the page structure, pulls in the layout, and reconstructs a version you can edit. When the import finishes, click Edit Page to fine-tune the results. Expect to review and adjust images, text, spacing, buttons, and fonts. This part matters because even a good import will benefit from a little polish. Swap in your own images to match your brand and compress large files to help the page load quickly. Update headlines and body copy so the messaging is accurate and consistent with your tone. Tweak spacing and alignment to keep sections balanced. Confirm every button points to the correct destination, and apply your preferred fonts and sizes to maintain visual consistency. While you're editing, preview the page to make sure it looks great across screen sizes. If the importer missed a section or styled something oddly, use the builder's elements to clean it up. You're not adding anything new to the process, just perfecting what was brought in. A quick note on expectations. This method works best for simple landing pages and straightforward layouts. If the original site uses complex animations, heavy interactions, or custom code, those elements may not carry over perfectly. You can still achieve a similar look and flow by simplifying the design or recreating specific parts with native elements inside the builder. Also, be sure you have the right to reuse the content and assets you're importing. Treat this as a way to streamline your build process, not to duplicate protected material without permission. That's it. Log in, go to Sites and Websites, create a new site, import the page, and then refine your images, text, spacing, buttons, and fonts. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, editable version of your page inside GoHighLevel in minutes.